for the week.
Now that I see it on, I think it's black, not navy. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. Today is Friday. I think it's January 8th and it's my day off from work. I have 2 days off from work this week. If you guys saw my previous vlog, my work day, you would be caught up. I'm working Sunday through Thursday for the next 2 weeks and then have Friday and Saturday off as my weekend. So that's a little bit of a change up. So today's my first day off from work. I have a lot of things that I need to get done today since I wasn't able to get them done yesterday. I have a lot of errands to run. I need to make it down to Soho to return a few items to Zara. I need to drop something off at the UPS center or USPS center from Amazon, however that works. And then I might just wander around and take a walk outside. I've been trapped in my apartment for the past few days working, and so I really just want to get out and about and walk around. And then I need to come back here, clean up a little bit. I need to be here for when my HelloFresh gets delivered. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday. I'm so annoyed by that, but it's getting delivered today. And since it's been sitting in the truck for almost 48 hours, I need to make sure that it gets in the fridge pretty fast so that the food doesn't spoil. It's been a whole thing. I'm so annoyed by that. I've never tried HelloFresh before, and I'm not sponsored by them, but I will say that so far I'm not super impressed with the delivery time. Just my honest opinion. So I'm gonna be out and about today, being productive, getting shit done. So I figured I'd take you guys with me. If you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. All of my socials are always linked in the description. I'm based out of New York City. You guys know the whole ordeal by now, and if you don't, watch a few vlogs back. I explain everything. You can watch my New York City moving vlogs again, because I feel like people are probably gonna start getting annoyed by that. So welcome to it. Also, I changed my shoes. You guys saw me putting on my Doc Martens, and as I was putting on my Doc Martens, I realized I have the worst blister like right here. So we changed the shoes, and I don't know if my feet are gonna freeze or not, but we'll see. From my outing, I honestly didn't spend too much time out and about. Today was really busy in like all of the areas that I went to. I didn't end up going to Soho. I ended up walking to Union Square, which is a good like 30-minute walk from where I live. But I needed the exercise, and honestly that was the closest Zara to where I live is Union Square. So I went down there, and then while I was there I ended up going to Whole Foods, buying some things from Zara. Obviously if I was returning something I needed to buy something else, duh. And then I went to Target, so I'm gonna do like a little haul for you guys, mainly because the stuff that I got from Whole Foods needs to go in water. So from Whole Foods, I got 2 Olippops. They didn't have the vintage cola flavor, which is like literally my favorite Olipop ever, and honestly the reason I buy Olipop, but they did have strawberry vanilla. I've tried strawberry vanilla before and I do like it, so I went ahead and purchased 2 of these. Mainly because I don't have a Whole Foods near me, so whenever I am near a Whole Foods, I like to pick up the things that I like from Whole Foods that I can't get anywhere else, and Olipop isn't sold in a lot of stores yet. So that's like one thing that I tend to get when I go to Whole Foods is the different flavors of Olipop that I like. The next 2 things that I got from Whole Foods are these flowers, and then these are called the Boxwood Bunch, and I'm going to try to make like a little flower arrangement in this vase. I wish I had more than one vase because I think that this can make like 3 bunches, but I only have 1 vase, so we're gonna try to make it work. Let's do that now because these need water ASAP before they die. Okay, high-key, that was literally an epic fail. I don't know why I thought that those 2 bunches of things could go together, but it really looks like a hot mess. Plus, I literally just destroyed my kitchen, so that's sick. But this is the final outcome. I don't know. I guess it's kind of cute, but it just looks like a lot. Like I said, I wish I had like 3 vases, because then I feel like I could have split it up more and it would have been cuter, but lesson learned, I won't be doing that again. An uneventful anticlimactic Target haul. I got some wet cloth sweeper refills. I'm gonna sweep my floor today. And then I got the dry ones. I think that you use these first and then use the wet ones. I'm not really sure. I need to Google it. And then I got another candle, shocker. This is the waterfall candle. Currently I have 2 candles in my apartment. One of them's in my bedroom and one of them's out here. The one out here is the fall one from Bath & Body Works. And it has a very specific, strong scent to it, which I do really like. And then the one in my bedroom is lavender, but I just wanted something that was like super universal and kind of smelled like laundry in a way and just was refreshing. So I got the waterfall scent. Next up, I'll show you guys the stuff that I got from Zara. I walked in thinking I was just gonna return a few things and then leave, and they're running a sale, so one thing led to another and I walked out with like 5 items. Don't know what happened, kind of blacked out. It is what it is. So first thing, I haven't tried any of this on either, so this could 100% look ugly. Maybe I'll do like a try on portion of what I got from Zara a little bit later in the video, but right now I don't feel like trying it on, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. I got this really nice quarter zip sweater. It's striped. I can't tell if it's navy or black. I want to say navy, but I might just pretend it's black because I have more black pants than I do navy pants that would match with this. But it's super cute, quarter zip. It's like a mock turtle situation. I feel like it'd be cute tucked into black jeans, or even doing like the bra tuck thing that's super in right now. I'm really excited to try that on. Oh, I also got Burt's Bees chapstick. That's so random, but I got that from Whole Foods. Next thing I got is this, I would say it's like bluish gray sweater from Zara. It's a medium. I think it's semi-cropped, but it'll probably just meet my pant line if I wear high-rise jeans. And I just thought it was really cute. It's like a good staple. It was fairly cheap. It was $39.90, but it's really nice material. It's super thick and it's not itchy, and I just need more simple staple sweaters that I can pair with other things, or if I can wear when I work, or if I'm just running out of my apartment. I just needed more like simple outfits. Next thing I purchased are these black legging pants that, if you guys have TikTok or Instagram or anything like that, these have been super popular all over social media of girls buying these pants. So I figured I would purchase them and try them on to see how I like them. I don't know if they're gonna fit weird or not. I bought a size small because I knew the mediums would be too big, but I'm not sure if the smalls are gonna be too small. So I'm gonna try them on and I'll tell you guys how they end up working out, but I'm really excited for them. And the last thing I got from Zara is this black leather skirt. It just is super simple, black leather. There's literally not much more to it than that. I currently have a black leather skirt, but it has like a silver zipper on the side of it, which is like an accent zipper or whatever. I really like it, but I've had it for a few years and I feel like it was just time for me to upgrade to kind of like a simpler black leather skirt that I can wear with more things. And that is what I got while I was out, and now I'm back home. It's 1:37 p.m. I'm going out to dinner tonight with my boyfriend, but that is not for a while, probably not until like 6:37 p.m. So I have a really long time before that. I need to make lunch right now. I am literally starving. I didn't eat breakfast. I didn't eat like a bagel or anything. So I need to go home and make lunch, and then I think I'm gonna clean up my space, mop my floor with the little Swiffer things that I just bought that I've been meaning to buy for over a month now, and go from there. So before I make lunch, this is a side note, but my HelloFresh came in. I think I talked about that this morning, how I was frustrated that they were late on the delivery, but it finally came in. I'm not gonna make anything from HelloFresh today because I'm going out to dinner tonight, like I was saying, but I picked 3 recipes to try for the week. This is like a tortellini bake. There's the buttery garlic spaghetti. This one looks so good. And then this one is a chicken and rice bowl. So I'm really excited to try these out and see if I actually really like HelloFresh or how easy it is to make. I feel like I've only really ever heard of HelloFresh from the influencers that I follow, and they're all like sponsored by HelloFresh. So I'm intrigued to get like an unsponsored opinion / my own opinion of HelloFresh itself. And I'll let you guys know obviously how it turns out. do the Zara try on haul like I mentioned before, just because I need to try on the clothes for myself anyways. So this is the first top I got. This is the strike black. Now that I see it on, I think it's black, not navy, but black and cream little quarter zip. I don't know if I like it or not. I feel like it could be cute, like pretend I'm wearing jeans right now, I'm wearing leggings, like tucked in and just casual wear, or even doing the tuck under bra situation. I feel like that could be cute. I don't know. It's definitely super warm. The sleeves are a little bit long on me, but I feel like I could potentially pull this off with like a fun little outfit. This kind of bothers me. This like scratches me in the face. All right, the next thing I'm putting on is the bluish gray sweater. I think that this is so cute. It is a little bit itchy because I think it's wool. I'll have to look at the tag. Tag doesn't say. It's a little bit itchy, I'm not gonna lie, but I could potentially wear like an undershirt with it. But I think the color's really cute. Or maybe it might not be as itchy after like one wash, but I think that the color is super cute, and this would just be cute with a pair of jeans or a pair of like the leather pants that I am about to try on as well. This is at a really weird angle because like I said, I don't have a full length mirror, so just using what I have. But these are the leather leggings. Honestly, they fit really good in the legs, but the waist is kind of a problem for me. I have this issue because my waist is like small, but my butt is not small, and so things tend to be like loose in the back. But I feel like I couldn't go down a size because these are already a size small, and if I went down to an extra small, I really wouldn't be able to get my legs in the leggings. So I don't know. I don't think they'll fall down when I walk, but like having a loose butt, I don't want it to make my butt look saggy, you know? Okay, first of all, you can't even really bend down these, but the consensus on these leather leggings after I looked at them in the mirror, I just think that they're too big on my waist and that they're going to bother me, and I would rather just invest in a pair that actually fits me correctly. So these will most likely be going back. All right, the last thing is this leather. This fits so well, and I think it's so cute. I'm really excited for it. I bought it in a size small, and I was a little iffy on the sizing. I thought it might be too small, but overall I think it looks really cute, and it honestly looks really cute with this sweater too. And I feel like if I wore it with a pair of like knee-high boots, or even not leggings, like tights, and then combat boots or tights and Doc Martens, this could be a really cute look. So the only thing that's going back, I think, are going to be those leggings. I just can't justify the price and the way that they fit, and I feel like I could just invest in a pair that actually fits me properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and return those. Sucks because Zara is a hike. Like, all of their dressing rooms are closed, so you kind of just have to buy things and hope that they fit, and then if they don't fit, you have to go back, and it's just like a whole process. But one thing that I put on my 2021 vision board, if you guys saw my work blog, I created like a vision board for my desktop, was to get back into fashion this year because it's something that I really love. So I'm trying to invest in quality pieces that I can wear multiple times with multiple outfits. So I'm really trying to buy some investment staple pieces. It is a whole lot later. It's literally 6:45. I just made the beginning of a TikTok and I've been watching Younger in bed. I've just been kind of hanging out. I responded to a few emails that I needed to respond to, but nothing super eventful has happened since I stopped cleaning my apartment / tried all the clothes on for you guys. I'm actually getting ready to run across the street to pick up a pair of jeans that I dropped off at the dry cleaners. The zipper broke on them, and it was really unfortunate because it was my favorite pair of jeans, but the repair was literally $27, which I'm pretty sure is more than what I paid for the jeans. So looking back on it now, it wasn't necessarily like the best choice of mine, but I couldn't find the jeans again on Zara's website. So you gotta do what you gotta do for your favorite pair of jeans, you know? So I'm getting ready to go outside and go pick up the jeans. But before I head out, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here because I'm gonna get ready to go out to dinner soon and just kind of hang out for the rest of the night. So thank you guys so much for watching as always. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.